What is this song? Ba't nalipat? Did I enjoy Japan? Well, I did. Japan. Every place na pinunta namin sa Japan feels like nasa anime ako. But the first day landing, bro, it was hard for me to enjoy kasi the day of the flight 12:30 a.m. na ata ako nakauwi. So I had to pack and then we had to leave early kasi wala akong tulog. I couldn't sleep sa airplane. So pagdating ko ng Japan, yung first few hours, medyo hirap akong zombie ako. Buti na lang I found some coffee. It woke me up. So once I have coffee, okay na yung araw ko. Ganda daw ng color ng hair ko. Sabi ni... What is it? Oh my God. Avrilian E. Thank you. Who sent the... Someone sent the pride flag. Thank you for sending pride flag. Sorry I couldn't see your name. Who is that? Who's that? Sabi ni Momon, I'm on the treadmill right now watching you. Wow. I see. Fitness, Wala naman horror experience in Japan. Wala, I don't, no. Like, ghost? Mga ghost ba? Ay, no, wala. If you're talking about ghosts, no, I don't have. Kasi the ghosts are scared of me. They got nothing on me, bro. Oy, si Tracy nandito. Ikaw na ba ang hinahanap ng Team BGYO? Pag pinansin daw siya, matutulog na ng maaga. Sleep early. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. Sabi ni Teen, Mickey, top 3 hardest BGYO choreo for me. Hardest... Number 1, I think would be Game On, Thai. Game On and Extraordinary. Yeah, Game On or Extraordinary, Thai sila. Number 1 spot. Number 2, I don't know. Basta those two, very hard to perform. Kasi nakakahingal talaga. My favorite OPM song. Damn, I don't know. There's a lot. Right now, give me a few minutes to think about it. Can't decide, bro. Good luck pala sa Tacloban performance bukas. Guys, nga pala, we will be going to Tacloban tomorrow. So, if you are in the area, kung nasa Tacloban kayo, samahan nyo kami. We will be performing there. Kita-kits tayo doon. Wait, let me see kung saan. BGYO PH on X. Tacloban. It's gonna be in RTR Plaza, 7 p.m. I think. Yeah, Tacloban Fiesta celebration. See you there. Sino yung mga taga Tacloban dito? Is anyone here from Tacloban? Thank you, Hesaya, for your owl. I can't see it. Thank you for the sticker, for the gift. Sticker gift. Who's my GOT7 bias? My GOT7 bias is Jackson Wang. Jackson Wang, my favorite from GOT7. So, Shin, thank you for the love you gift. Ate Konicha, thank you for the rose. Thank you sa lahat na nag-send ng gifts. Ng stickers. Alam nito, this is from Fire Force. Thank you. It's like the Aces logo then. Lex Yuno, thank you. Ate Konicha, thank you. Ate Lani, thank you for the rose. So yeah, if you guys are new sa aking live stream, my name is Mickey. I'm part of BGYO. And kakalabas lang ng bagong single namin, which is All These Ladies. Mapakinggan nyo yan sa lahat ng music streaming apps. Just search BGYO, All These Ladies, and of course sa YouTube and Facebook nalabas na rin ang music video ng All These Ladies. So make sure to check it out. Yes, sir. Ready KNB, ma? Kana ba? What? Ma MMK? What? Ate Sake, welcome back. Thank you for the finger heart. Supernova, thank you for the community. I putol yung text, sorry, I can't read. Gracia, thank you for the rose. Supernova, I think. Thank you. Cutie Smile, thank you. Team, thank you for the love you sticker. Mai, thank you, Mai. Walala, thank you. And Ate Konicha, thank you. There's a lot of people sending gifts. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Buti natatandaan ko pa. Kasi nakakalimutan ako mag-thank you sa nagbibigay. Heart, thank you for the rose. Ang init ah. Na-miss na daw ako panoorin ng live. It's been a while since last time nag-live ako. So, next year na ulit ako mag-live. So, see you next year, guys. Ano ba tong song na to? Why is it... Why does it keep on changing? Paano ba ulit-ulitin ng All These Ladies? Wala pang repeat? Oh, there. Yup, next year. See you next year. Heart pose daw. Heart pose. What's my favorite Chris Brown song? I think it is Chris Brown. I have a lot, man. I like Cold by Chris Brown. So Cold pala, So Cold, and Residuals. There's one more I forgot. Sorry. Sabi ni Laika, always streaming all these. Thank you, Laika. Thank you sa lahat na nag-stream ng new single namin. Make sure to save it sa mga playlist nyo. And make sure to stream it also sa lahat ng playlist na naka-feature ang All These Ladies. Sabi ni Katsuki Bakugo, who are you? I'm Todoroki, bro. I'm Mickey from a boy group. Pinoy ba siya? Si Bakugo, baka Japanese siya. Bakugo. How's my day? My day has been very tiring, bro. Damn, bro. I worked 10 a.m. No, 11 a.m. I worked until 4. I went to the gym 4 to 5. That's it. That's it. And then I slept before this live, kaya maguling ko. I slept for like, it's supposed to be 10 minutes, pero naging 30 minutes, so. Take a rest after this, I will. If wala akong mahanap na anime na gusto kong panoorin. Yeah. What's my daily perfume? Secret. Oh, there. Sabi ni Ali, see you tomorrow in Tacloban. Finally, we found someone na nasa Tacloban. Ali,